Question number 31. The respective ratio between speed of a boat downstream and speed of the water current is 5:1. If the boat can travel 12.6 kilometers upstream in 84 minutes, what is the speed of the water current? Downstream ante m plus s kada. Downstream means m plus s. Stream means s are in the ratio of 5:1. M plus s is 5 parts. Andulo s is 1 part. Means m is 4 parts or not? M is how many parts andi? Means m and s are in the ratio of 4:1. They given here it traveled 12.6 kilometers upstream in 84 minutes. Upstream means m minus s. 12.6 kilometers in 84 minutes. Convert minutes into hours means by 60. 6 10 times 6 14 times 14.9 times. Upstream speed is 9 kilometers per hour. Upstream means m minus s. Already we know m and s are in the ratio of 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. 3 parts value 9 kilometers per hour. Speed of the stream is 1 part. 3 kmph your answer. M minus s means 4 minus 1. 3 parts value 9 kilometers per hour. Speed of the stream is 1 part. 3 kmph your answer. Next. The compound interest compounded annually on R rupees for 2 years at the rate of 20% per annum is 1716. What would be the simple interest on R plus 1400 for 3 years at the rate of 14% per annum? 1 year 20% per annum means 2 years compound interest is 44% value they given as 1716. First find 100%. First find 100%. 44 3 times 132. 44 3 times 132 left with 39. 396 means 44 9 times. So principal 3900. Principal is 3900. Whereas in simple interest he invested along with the principal 1400 extra. Along with the principal he invested 1400 extra. 3900 plus 1400 5300. He invested 5300 in simple interest at the rate of 14% per annum for 3 years. 1 year 14% means 3 years 42% of 5300 your answer. Answer ends with 6 or not? 6 means second option your answer. 2226. Answer ends with 6 and 2226 your answer. Next. A and B started a business by investing X rupees and X plus 3000 rupees respectively. After 9 months from the start of the business, B left. The respective ratio between A share and B share of annual profit is 8:9. What is the value of X? What is profit ratio? Profit ratio 8:9. A invested from beginning to ending or not? Means entire 12 months A is there. But B left after how many months? 9 months only. Profit ratio by time ratio will give us investment ratio or not? Profit ratio by time ratio will give us investment ratio. 9 cancel, 4 2s are 4 3s are. Investment ratio 2 is to 3. A invested 2 parts, B invested 3 parts. B invested how many parts extra? 1 part extra, whereas in principle B invested how much extra? 3000 extra. 1 part value 3000. What is the value of X? X is the sum invested by A kada. A invested how many parts? 2 parts. X value 2 parts is how much? So 1 part 3000 means 2 parts 6000 your answer. Profit ratio by time ratio will give us investment ratio. Next. Area of a square is 324 square meters. Area of a square means A square or not? A square value 324 అయితే A value 18. Perimeter of a rectangle is 30 meters more than perimeter of the given square. Perimeter of a rectangle formula 2 of L plus B or not is 30 meters more than perimeter of the given square. Perimeter of a square means 4A. 30 meters more అన్నాడు plus 30. 2 of L plus B equal to, already we know A value. What is A value? 418 times 72 plus 30, 102. From there L plus B equal to 51. And breadth of the rectangle they given us 19 meters, asked to find area. Breadth is 19, length became 22 or not? 22 or 32? 32. If breadth is 19, length became 51 minus 19, 32. Area of the rectangle means length into breadth, 32 into 19 ends with 8 or not? Answer ends with 8 and the third option 608. Next. A train can cross an electric pole in 12 seconds. Had the length of the train been 60 meters less, it could have crossed 500 meters long platform in 28 seconds. What is the actual length of the train? Pole ni cross చేసేటప్పుడు, platform ni cross చేసేటప్పుడు speed is same only. Yes or no? While crossing a telephonic pole, speed is speed of the train. While crossing a platform also, speed of the train is same. Both cases speed is constant. If speed is constant, time ratio, distance ratio both are same or not? Speed is constant, time ratio, distance ratio both are same. Time ratio means 12 seconds is to 28 seconds. What is the time ratio? 3 is to 7. So distance ratio also 3 is to 7. Train length is 3 parts. Platform length is train length plus platform length. Together 7 parts. Yes or no? Difference how many parts? Please respond. That 4 parts value they given. What is the length of the platform? Length of the platform is 500. But in both the cases, train length is not same here. In second case, train length is how much less? 60 meters less. So difference is 500 minus 60. What is 500 minus 60? 440 meters is the difference among their lengths. 3 parts and 7 parts. Difference 4 parts value 440. 4 parts value 440 means 1 part value. Length of the train is 3 parts. 330 your answer. Length of the train is 3 parts. 330 your answer. Next. Rice worth 56 rupees per kg mixed with another variety of rice in the respective ratio of 3:2. If the mixture is worth 64 rupees per kg, what is the price of second variety of rice? ఏ రేషియోలో మిక్స్ చేశారంట? ఫస్ట్ క్వాంటిటీ 3 kg at the rate of 56 rupees. Second quantity 2 kg. How many rupees? I don't know. Total quantity became 5 kg or not? 5 kg mixture cost price they given as 64 rupees. You just find X value. 3:2 ratio ante first quantity 3 kg at the rate of 56 rupees. Second quantity 2 kg at how many rupees? I don't know. Take it as X rupees. Total quantity became 3 plus 2 5 kg at the rate of 64 rupees. You just find X value. 2 1 time, 228 time, 232 times. 84 plus X equal to 160 or not? Then X equal to 76. Next. 5 years hence, the respective ratio of A and B says at that time will be 7:5. And that of B and C says at that time will be 10:9. 10 years ago, if the sum of A's and C's age was 62 years, what is B's present age? 5 years hence, A and B A ratio lo unnaru 7:5. 7:5 we can write it as 14:10 also. Multiply with 2 cheste 14:10. B and C 10:9. From this we can say A is to B is to C 14:10:9. How many years hence? 5 years hence, this is the ratio. 5 years hence, the ratio among A, B and C is 14:10:9. They given 10 years ago, sum of A's age and C's age was 62 years. How many years ago? 10 years ago 62 means present 82 or not? 10 plus 10 20 add అవుతుంది. Present 82. Present 82 అంటే 5 years hence 92 or not? 2 members కదా అండి. 5 plus 5 10 యాడ్ అవ్వాలి. 82 plus 10 how much? 92 is the sum of A and C in 5 years hence. 5 years hence A and C sum is 92. A and C means 14 plus 9 how many parts? How many parts? 23 parts value 92 means 1 part value 4 years or not? B's age is 10 parts. 10 4s are 40. 40 is the age of B 5 years hence. 40 is the age of B 5 years hence. But there are present age is how much? What is 40 minus 5? 35 your answer. Next. The profit earned when an article is sold at 42% profit is 110.4 rupees more than that earned when the same article is sold at 18% profit. 42% profit, 18% profit. Difference 24 or not? 42 minus 18. Difference 24% value they given as 110.4. 24 ones are 24 4s are 96. Left with 60, left with 14. 144 means 6 times. Cost price of the product 100% equal to 460. But they don't ask us what is cost price here. They are asked to find us what would be the selling price of the article if it is sold at 25% profit. Means 25% of 460 we need to add. 25% means half lo half kada. 460 lo half 230 లో half. 115 is profit. Selling price is 575. Next. Of the three numbers, the average of first and second number is greater than the average of second and third number by 49. If the respective ratio between first and third number is 9:2, what is the first number? Three numbers ni A, B, C anukundam. Average of first and second number means A plus B by 2 is greater than average of second and third number means B plus C by 2. Difference between these two averages they given as 49. Plus B minus B get cancelled or not? From this A minus C equal to 49 2 times 98. A minus C, first number and third number. First number and third number are in the ratio of, already we know first number third number A ratio lo unnai. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. 7 parts value 98 means 1 part value 14 or not? First number means A, which is 9 parts. 9 14s are 126, your answer. Next. The sum of 4 consecutive even numbers is 83 more than sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. If the sum of the smallest odd number and the largest even number is 69, what is the smallest even number? Odd numbers and even numbers. How many even numbers are there? How many even numbers are there? 4 consecutive even numbers are there. Let us assume 4 consecutive even numbers are x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, where x is an even number. Where x is an even number. And also how many odd numbers? 3 odd numbers. They given here. Sum of the smallest odd number and the largest even number is 69. What is the largest even number? What is the largest even number? X plus 6. Then smallest odd number became 69 minus x plus 6 or not? What is 69 minus 6? 69 minus 6. 63 minus x will be the smallest odd number. 63 minus x will be the smallest odd number. Next odd number means 2 extra undali kada. Plus 2 or not? 63 plus 2. 65 minus x. 67 minus x. These are the 3 consecutive odd numbers and those are 4 consecutive even numbers. And they given a condition here. Sum of 4 consecutive even numbers. 4 consecutive even numbers sum means x plus x plus x plus x, 4x, 6 plus 4 plus 2, 12, 4x plus 12 is 83 more than sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. 3 consecutive odd number means 60, 60, 60, 180, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 5, total 195 or not? 195 minus 3x. Difference among these consecutive odd numbers sum and even numbers sum is 83. Asked to find the smallest even number means what is x value. Smallest even number means we need to find what is x value. Minus into minus became plus. 4x plus 3x, 7x. 12 minus 195 means minus 183 or not? Moving to right side, plus 183, 266. X equal to 38. What is x here? Smallest even number. 38 your answer. Next. The population of village B was 2400 in 2003. It increased by 10% from 2003 to 2004 and by a certain percent from 2004 to 2005. If the population of village B was 3036 in 2005, what was the percent increase in population from 2004 to 5? What is initial population? 2400. It increased by 10% అన్నాడు. 2400లో 10%. Total became 2640 or not? And also increased by some X%. We don't know what is that. But finally it became 3036. Final population became 3036. 2640 కాస్త 3036 అవ్వాలి అంటే what will be the increment? Please respond. 396 add అవ్వాలి. Then only it becomes 3036. That 396 is what percent of 2640? That will be your answer. 396 is what percent of 2640? 15% or not? Answer is 15%. Next. A can finish a piece of work in 63 days. He worked alone for 28 days and then B replaced him. If B could finish the 1/3 of the remaining work in 10 days, in how many days can B alone finish the whole work? A alone can do the work in how many days? 63 days. But A worked here for 28 days. In 28 days, A completed 4/9 of the work or not? Yes or no? 7 4 times 7 9 times. A completed 4/9 of the work. So remaining how much? How much? 5/9 of the work is left. 5/9 of the work is left. B completed 1/3 of the remaining work. So remaining is 5/9. అందులో 1/3 of the work B completed in 10 days అన్నాడు. B completed in 10 days. 5 how many times? 2 times. 3 9s are 27. 2 times 54 days. B alone can do the full work in 54 days. Next thing, number series. Into 1, into 3, into 5, into 7. 187 times 1260. 1260, fifth option your answer. Difference. Difference how much? 70, 63. How much? 50. 7 10 times, 7 9 times, 7 8 times. 7 7 times or not? 40. 205 plus 49, 254. Answer 254 your answer. Into 2 minus 2. Into 3 minus 3. Into 4 minus 4. Into 5 minus 5. 32 5 times 160. 160 minus 5. 155 your answer. Difference. 1.2. 1.5. How much? 2.1. Next. 3.3. Again difference. 0.3, 0.6, 1.2. Double or not? 0.3 double 0.6, 0.6 double 1.2, 1.2 double means 5.7 or not? 14.1 plus 5.7 will give us 19.8 your answer. Difference among difference is double and difference 7, 26, 63, 124. 2 cube minus 1, 3 cube minus 1, 4 cube minus 1, 5 cube minus 1. Final ga 6 cube minus 1 means 215 or not? 227 minus 215, 442 your answer. Data sufficiency. In how many days 2 men and 8 women can complete a piece of work? We need to calculate 2 men and 8 women together can complete the piece of work. If you know men data, women data, we can say the answer. First statement, 9 men and 6 women together can complete the same work in 14 2/7 days. 9 men and 6 women together can complete the work in 14 2/7 days. Is it possible to find individual men data or else women data? So without knowing men alone or women alone, the required equation is a multiple of given equation. Aithe we can say the answer. But 2 men, 8 women anedi is a multiple of 9 men, 6 women. Please respond. No, so we can't say the answer with first statement alone. Second statement, 6 men can do the work in 30 days. 6 men can do the work in 30 days. In second statement alone, I don't know women can do the work in how many days. So in second statement alone also, we can't say the answer. But by combining 1 and 2, yes or no? I know men data here. Men data ka substitute cheste manaku women data kuda vastundi. We know men data, women data. Definitely we'll get the answer. By combining 1 and 2 together only, we can say the answer. Next. How many marks did Charlie obtain in mathematics? Charlie obtained in mathematics. The average marks obtained by Charlie in 4 subjects, English, mathematics, geography, history are 63. అందులో మనకి మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఒకటే కావాలి అంటే we can't say the answer with first statement alone because I don't know English, geography, history how much. తెలుసా అండి? Second statement. The average marks obtained by Charlie in English and mathematics are 48 and average marks obtained by him in English and geography are 61. Second statement consider cheste English and maths they given as 48, English and geography they given as 61. If we subtract these two equations, English get cancelled or not? Geography minus mathematics equal to 13. But I don't know geography how much here. Is it possible to say mathematics? No. 1 alone not possible, 2 alone not possible, 1 and 2 also not possible. Neither 1 nor 2. What is the area of this circle? Formula enti? Area of a circle formula enti? Pi r square. If you know the radius, we can say the answer. First statement. The sum of the circumference and the diameter of the circle is equal to perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose side is 116. Sum of the circumference ante 2 pi r and diameter ante 2r equal to perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose side is 116. Equilateral triangle perimeter 3 into side or not? 3 into 116. అక్కడి నుంచి మనకు r వాల్యూ కనుక్కోవచ్చా లేదా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? From here we can find R value. If you know R value, we can say area also how much. 1 alone we can say the answer. First statement alone we can say the answer. Next. The difference between diameter and circumference of the circle is 180 meters. Diameter and circumference 2 pi r minus 2r, they given as 180. From here also we can say radius or not. So 1 alone possible, 2 alone possible, either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2 your answer. Next. What is the cost price of the table? They are asked to find as cost price. First statement. Market price of the table is 40% more than cost price. If a discount of 20% is given on the market price, profit earned is 54 rupees. Generally, cost price is by default how much percent? 100%. Market price is 40% more than cost price ante MRP ఏమవుతుందండి 140. But while selling, they given a discount of 20% అన్నాడు. 140లో 10%, 14, 20%, 28 discount given. Selling price is 112 or not? Cost price is 100, selling price is 112, means there is a profit of how much percent? That 12% value they given as 54 rupees. Asked to find as cost price means 100% is how much? You will get the answer or not? First statement alone we can say the answer. Second statement. Difference between cost price and market price is 180. I don't know what is market price. Without knowing market price, we can't say what is cost price. Only one alone possible. How much time will train M take to cross train N from the moment they meet running in opposite direction? Time కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. Time formula ఏంటి? Distance by speed. Train M and N crossing each other అన్నప్పుడు distance is nothing but length of train M plus length of train N or not? Yes or no? M and N length తెలియాలి, వాటి స్పీడ్స్ కూడా తెలియాలి, then only we can say the answer. First statement. The respective ratio of the speeds of train M and N is 5:3 అన్నాడు. స్పీడ్స్ రేషియో ఇచ్చాడే కానీ స్పీడ్స్ ఏంటో చెప్పాడా? నాట్ పాసిబుల్. Sum of the lengths of M and N is 353 meters. Total distance is 353, but total speed ఏంటో తెలుసా మనకి? టోటల్ స్పీడ్ ఫస్ట్ రేషియో తీసుకుంటే 5 + 3 how much? 8 parts అని తెలుసు, but I don't know what is that one part value here. So we can't say the answer, neither one nor two. Next, see. Study the table and answer the given questions. Number of wallets sold by 5 stores during 4 months. March, April, May, June. Stores are B, C, D, E, F. Few values are missing in the table. You are expected to calculate the missing value if it is required to answer the given question on the basis of the given data and informations. First one. The number of wallets sold by store F decreased by 20% from March to July and by 50% from July to August. If the number of wallets sold by store F in August was 42, what was the number of wallets sold by store F in March? Suppose in March 100% అనుకుంటే, suppose in March it is 100%. March to July decrease by how much percent? 20% decrease, means in July it became 80. From July to August decreased by how much percent? 50%, means half, right? What is half of 80? 40 decreased, so remaining how much? 40% in August. That 40% value they given as 42. 40% value they given as 42. Asked to find us March is how much? March means 100% is how much? 100% means 40 plus 40 plus 20 or not? 40% వాల్యూ 42, ఇంకో 40% యాడ్ చేస్తే 84, 20% అంటే హాఫ్ కదా, 42లో హాఫ్ 84 ప్లస్ 21 105 యువర్ ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్, number of wallets sold by store E decreased by 12% from April to June. What was the number of wallets sold by store E in June? Store E in April 125 or not? ఆ 125లో 12% డిక్రీజ్ అన్నాడు. 12% అంటే 10% ప్లస్ 2%. ఇన్ 125 10% 12.5. 2% వాల్యూ మీన్స్ 1% 1.25, 2% 2.5, 12.5 plus 2.5 15 decreases, it became 110. What is 125 minus 15 అండి? 110. Others need not to do all these things. 12% decreased means remaining 88% or not? 88 means 11 multiple or not? Answer is 11 multiple 110 your answer. Next, the respective ratio between total number of wallets sold by store B in March and June together and the number of wallets sold by the same store in October was 13:6. If the number of wallets sold by store B in October was 108, what was the number of wallets sold by store B in March? 13:6 రేషియోలో ఉన్నారు. అక్టోబర్లో 6 parts value they given 108. 6 parts value 108 means 1 part value how much? 18. Then 13 parts value 13 18 times. What is 13 18 times? 234. 13 18 times how much అండి? 234. 234 is the total in March and June together by store B. March and June total is 234. In the table already store B June how much? How much? Out of 234, 100 in the month of June, remaining 134 in the month of March. Next, the total number of wallets sold by store D in March and April together was 35 more than sold by B in April and July together. If the number of wallets sold by store B in July is 52, what is the number of wallets sold by store D in April? Store D in March and April together. Store D in March and April. Store D March how much? How much? 97. April I don't know. That together was 35 more than sold by store B in April and July. Store B in April 66 and in July they given 52. July how much given? 52. And store D is 35 more అన్నాడు plus 35. Asked to find us store D April how much? What is 66 plus 52? How much? 118 plus 35 153. 153. April month how much means 153 minus 97 or not? What is 153 minus 97? 56 your answer. Next, had the number of wallets sold by store C in May been 80% more than what it actually sold, the average number of wallets sold by stores C, E, F in May would have been 87. What is the actual number of wallets sold by store C in May? Had the number of wallets sold by store C in May been 80% more, actually 100% anukunte 80% more means 180%. Then the average number of CEF in May. May month lo C 180% anukunnanu. E how much? 81. F how much? 108. These three stores average they given as 87. Average they given as 87. Average 87 means total 87 into 3 or not? What is 87 into 3? 261. From there store C 180% equal to 81 plus 108, 189. 261 minus 189, 72. But they are asked to find us actually store C how much. Actual value of store C is 100%, which is 40. Next, 2211 by 11 plus 3 square means equal to x into root 49, 7. 11 2 times 0, 11 1 times. 201 plus 9, 210 by 7 means 30 your answer. Three plus what is 4 square? 5 cube equal to how much into 24? 125 plus 16, 141 plus 3, 144 by 24 means 6 times or not? Answer is 600. Four minus 2 by 5 into what is 1 by 4? 5 by 4 plus 49 equal to question mark. 5 get cancelled or not? 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. 4 plus 49. 4 plus 49. 53 minus 1 by 2 means 52, 1 by 2. 53 minus 1 by 2. 53 minus 0.5 ante 52.5 kada. 52, 1 by 2. What is 10 square? How much? 21 plus 12. 21 plus 12. 33. Last option end with 33 or not? Ends with 33 and a fifth option. Last 2 digit verification. Approximations. 343 means 7 cube or not? 3 get cancelled. 7 square. What is 7 square? 49 plus square root of x minus 40 equal to 65. What is 65 minus 49? 65 minus 49. 16. Squaring on both sides. 16 square. 256. X value 256 plus 40 or not? 296. 6 minus 4. 2 square. Root 49 plus 11. Total 22 or not? This is 92%. That is 92%. 25 into 2 cube ante 2 cube ante 8. 25 8 times 200 plus 536 total 736 or not? 92 1 time, 92 8 times. 1% value 8, then 100% value 800 your answer. 26 square 676 minus 25 square 625. What is 676 minus 625? 51 minus 13 equal to x minus 92. What is 51 minus 13? 38. 38 plus 92. 130. 38 plus 92 will give us 130 your answer. X value 130 your answer.